Hello people at PepsiCo, my name is Alberto Placa. I'm 26 years old and I graduated from the University of Texas at El Paso, where I got my degree in marketing. Today, I'm here to talk to you about my 4 passions, which is cycling, soccer, cooking, and marketing. Cycling keeps me active, keeps me focused and on the go. Soccer is a way to learn about teamwork while also having fun. Cooking relaxes me and encourages me to try new things. And last but not least is marketing. See, marketing's not only a career for me, it's a way of living. I like to be involved in all parts of it, from the product development to the research. I'm also well trained in other areas of marketing as product, placement, price, and promotion. I'm also dedicated, self-started, entrepreneur, and a team worker. And finally, Pepsi, I would like to say that the products I identify myself more with, it's Gatorade because it fits my lifestyle, and Sabritas because ever since I was a kid, it's been there. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you liked the video and hope to hear some from you.